What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. So what we have here is bringing back the exponent rules. Yikes. Which is going to make this a complex fraction. So here is the biggest part. If you were to look at this and go, I don't know what to do. Simple thing is this. If I just took this piece out and saying, okay, what does that mean? Right? What does this part right here mean? And you're going to say, well, that is equal to 1 over m. Because the power is attached to the m, and it tells me that m doesn't like being on top, so it should move to the bottom. And it's m to the first power here, but we don't usually write m to the first. Okie doke. So that means we got to do the same thing for all the rest of them. Oopsies. So that is going to be the very first one here. So now I got to do plus. And z to the negative 1 is going to be 1 over z, because the z doesn't like being on top. This m doesn't like being on top as well. And this z doesn't like being on top as well. Okay? They all don't like being on top. All right. So, same thing here. If I don't know what to do with this whole thing, I want to look at just this piece here and say, okay, what do I do with this? Right? What do I do with this? Well, that is just adding, subtracting two fractions, right? So that is just telling me that I need the sisters and deal with just the top, just by itself. Deal with just the bottom, just by itself, and then put it all together, okay? So the z is missing an m. The m is missing a z. So if I was to look at this, both of these bottom is zm and zm. So the top is going to be a z plus m all over zm. And there we go. All right, so let's now look at just the bottom, right? Same thing, bring the sisters out. The m is missing a z. The z is missing an m. And look at this, zm, zm. Awesome. So what do I have here? I have a z minus m all over zm. Zm. All right, so what do I really have here? Well, don't forget, guys, this line right here just means that you're dividing. So I'm just dividing two fractions. So I would copy, change, flip. So copy the very first one, z plus m over zm. Change the division to multiplication, and then flip the bottom one, zm over z minus m. Well, if you notice, when I multiply, the zm and the zm is going to cancel each other out. So what I'm going to have left is a z plus m on top. And on the bottom, I'm just going to be left with a z minus m. And there you go. And that is going to be choice D. And I hope that helps. And there we go. Any questions? Let me know. See ya.